Good morning, class students. Here I am going to start new topic. I am Jagdish, your math teacher from Kakatiya High School. So today I am going to start new topic, that is nothing but second chapter, polynomials. Here is the basic points, important points from polynomials. This class is important to 9th class and also 10th class. First of all, what is the polynomial? Polynomial, an algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers. It means non-negative integer powers is called a polynomial. For example, 2x. Here x is a variable. What is the power of the variable? 1. So positive integer. So these are the examples to polynomials. So I am repeating that. What is a polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the variables involved have only non-negative integral powers is called a polynomial. So polynomials, very important chapter to 10th class and also 9th class. So some examples here. State which of the following are polynomials and which are not. Here I have 5 questions. 2x cube, 1 by x minus 1, 4z square plus 1 by 7, m square minus root 2 m plus 2, x square plus 3 root x plus 4. So from this, which is a polynomial, which is not a polynomial. So according to that, compulsory in polynomial variables must be non-negative integral powers. Take the first question. Here, what is the first question? 2x cube. Here, x is a variable. What is the power of the variable? 3. It means positive integer. So, 2x cube is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. What about the second question? 1 by x minus 1. 1 by x minus 1. Here, variable x is in denominator. X is in denominator. For example, 1 by x, we can write as x power minus 1. 1 by x we can write as x power minus 1. It means in this question, variable have negative power. So, because of that, 1 by x minus 1 is not a polynomial. Why? Because here variable power is in negative. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Move to third question. What about third question? 4z square plus 1 by 7. Here what is the variable? Z is a variable. What is the power of the z? 2 plus 2. So it is a polynomial. Why? Because positive integer. It is a polynomial. Then move to fourth question. What is the fourth question? M square minus root 2m plus 2. M square minus root 2m plus 2. Here, what is the variable? M is a variable. So here powers are 2 and 1. So both are positive integer. It is also a polynomial. Then move to fifth question. What about the fifth question? X square plus 3 root x plus 4. Here, root x means we can write as x power 1 by 2. Root x we can write as x power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is not an integer. 1 by 2 is not an integer. So x square plus 3 root x plus 4 it is not a polynomial. So here what is the question? State which of the following are polynomials and which are not. Here I have 5 questions. So from these 5 questions, first one is 2x cube. Here variable power is positive. So it is a polynomial. Just move to second question. Here variable is in denominator. It means here variable have negative power, so it is not a polynomial. Move to third question. What is third question? 4z square plus 1 by 7. It is a polynomial. Then what about fourth question? M square minus root m plus 2. Here root 2. It is not a power of variable. It is a coefficient. So what is the power of m? 1. So 2 and 1 both are integers, positive integers. So it is also a polynomial. Then move to fifth question. X square plus 3 root x plus 4. Root x we can write as x power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a rational number, but I need only positive integers as power of variables. So it is also not a polynomial. So 10th question is degree of a polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is the highest degree of variable. For example, degree of 10 power x power 10 x power 10 plus 3x power 9 minus 4x. What is the degree of this polynomial? So here x is a variable, x is a variable, x is a variable. So from these three variables, which one? What is the highest power? It is the highest power of variable. So degree of this polynomial is 10. Degree is equal to 10. Let us take more examples. Some more examples. Example 2. 3x cube minus 4x power 10 plus 3x power 11. So here, what is the highest power? 11 is highest power. So degree of this one is here. What is the degree here? 11. Next, third example. 4x power 6. 4x power 6. What is the degree of that one? Degree is equal to 6. Let only 10. Only 10. What is the degree of that one? Here variable not there. So variable not there means we can write as x power 0. So degree is equal to 0. 10 means constant term. The degree of constant term is always 0. Sixth one. What is the degree of 10x power minus 3? What is the degree of 10x power minus 3? Plus 3x power minus 4. Here, what is the degree of this one? First of all, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. Why? Because variable powers are negative. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. So, what is the meaning of degree? Highest power of the variable is called a degree of the polynomial. So classifications of polynomial. So polynomials are classified in two ways, according to terms and according to degree. According to terms, polynomials can be classified as monomials, binomials, trinomials and polynomials according to terms. What is a monomial? A polynomial with single term is called a monomial. A polynomial with single term is called a monomial. So what are the examples? For example, 2x cube. Here only one term is there. So 2x cube is a monomial. Second example, 4x power 5. It is also a monomial. Next, 6x power 10. 4x power 3. So these are example to monomials. What is the meaning of monomial? A polynomial with single term is called a monomial. Second one, binomial. What is a binomial? A polynomial with two terms is called a binomial. For examples, 2x cube plus 3x square. It is a combination of two terms, comma 4x plus 5y, comma 2x cube plus 10x power 2. So these are examples to binomials. Then after trinomial. So a polynomial with 3 terms. A polynomial with 3 terms is called a trinomial. For example, 2x cubed minus 3x square plus 4x. 4x cubed minus 4x square plus 6. So these are the examples to trinomial. So according to terms, polynomials divided as a monomial, binomial, trinomial. What is the meaning of monomial? A polynomial with single term is called a monomial. What about binomial? A polynomial with 2 terms is called a binomial. Then what about trinomial? A polynomial with 3 terms is called a trinomial. So more than of this we can say as polynomial. In previous class we discussed classifications of polynomials. According to terms, polynomials are divided as a monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now according to degree. So what are the types? What are the classifications of polynomial according to degree? Here first, linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Example, 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. What is the degree of this one? 1. So a polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Another example, 6x plus 7. Here also degree of this polynomial is 1. So it is also example to linear polynomial. Very important. Standard or general form. Standard or general form of linear polynomial. Generally we can say ax plus b is a linear polynomial. Ax plus b we can say linear polynomial. Wait, important note. A comma b comma a comma b are real numbers. A comma b are real numbers and a not is equal to 0. Very important condition. So what is a linear polynomial? A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial. What are the examples? 3x plus 4, 6x plus 7. Standard or common form or general form of linear polynomial ax plus b, where a comma b are real numbers and a not equal to 0. It is very important condition. If you take linear polynomial on graph sheet, you will get straight line. Graph, very important. Graph of linear polynomial is straight line. Graph of linear polynomial is straight line. If you take linear polynomial and graph sheet, you will get one straight line. So this is the basic information about linear polynomial. Maybe there is a chance to ask one more question or blank. What is the one more question? What is the condition to say ax plus b as a linear polynomial? What is the condition to say ax plus b as a linear polynomial? What are the conditions? A comma b must be real numbers and a not equal to 0. So this is the information about linear polynomial. So second one, quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree is 2 called a quadratic polynomial. So what are the examples? 3x power 2 plus 4, 6x power 2 plus 7x plus 2. What is the degree of this one? is equal to 2. What is the degree of this one? Is equal to 2. So a polynomial which have degree is 2 called quadratic polynomial. Next, common form or standard or general form. Common form or standard form or general form. So ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic polynomial, where a comma b comma c are real numbers. A comma b comma c are real numbers, and a naught is equal to 0. A naught is equal to 0. Whatever quadratic polynomial, a polynomial which have degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. These are the examples. What is the common form? So what is common form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. If you take quadratic polynomial graph sheet, graph or cube means quadratic polynomial, you will get like this. This is called a parabola. That is called a parabola. So graph of the quadratic polynomial is parabola. What is a quadratic polynomial? A polynomial which have degree 2 is called a quadratic polynomial. What is the common form? Generally we can use ax square plus bx plus c to represent quadratic polynomial, where a comma b comma c are real numbers and a not is equal to 0. Here also one more question. What is the one more question? What is the condition to say ax square plus bx plus c as a quadratic polynomial? What is the condition? A comma b comma c are real numbers and a not is equal to 0. Third condition, cubic polynomial. A polynomial with the degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. What is a cubic polynomial? A polynomial with degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. Examples: 3x cube plus 4x square, 6x cube plus 7y cube plus 3y square. So these are the examples to cubic polynomial. Why? Because degree of this one is 3, degree of this one is 3, and degree of this one is also 3. Common form or standard or general form. Common form or standard form or general form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is called a cubic polynomial, where a comma b comma c comma d are real numbers. A comma b comma c comma d are real numbers and a not is equal to 0 and a not is equal to 0. So what is a cubic polynomial? A polynomial with degree 3 is called a cubic polynomial. What is the common form? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is a common form of cubic polynomial, where a comma b comma c comma d are real numbers and a not is equal to 0. Here is the worksheet on basic information about polynomials. Write 5 examples to quadratic polynomial. Write 5 examples to monomial. Write the condition to say ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d as a cubic polynomial. Write any 5 examples to trinomial.